Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video. So I have a couple different orders that were combined into one box, and the first thing I pulled out was this broken pendant. I'm really upset about it, but it was a, let's see, 55 millimeter inlaid jade stone pendant. Originally $19. I think I got it for like $1, but here's the little piece, and this happened recently. So there's the little piece, and there's the pendant. I'm not too broken up about it because it was $1, but I'm a little annoyed. Thankfully, I still have the piece, and if I use some E6000, it should be okay. It's really interesting. I've never seen one that looked like this before, so I grabbed it. Interesting. I'm going to put that back in the baggie with the bead so I don't lose it. And when I go to use it, I can just glue it back together. There was one other pendant that I got in this lot, and it is a 55 millimeter carved mother of pearl pendant. Originally it was 14 bucks. I think I got it for $1. So it is just gorgeous. This looks so much nicer than it did in the listing. I didn't really know what to expect because you couldn't really see the detail, but man, this is neat. It's my favorite color on top of some nice shell. That's really beautiful. I can't wait to do a statement necklace with that. And then the other two things I ordered were they were both the same but different colors. One's 20 sets of authentic vintage Czech glass beads, 5 to 18 millimeter, and then the other one was 8 to 18 millimeter. So we'll just start, and by sets it can be, I guess, like 4 beads, but there were some pretty cool things in here. I'll start with these, some vintage Czech glass barrels. These are really, really nice red. Some little teardrops, teeny tiny. Little teeny tiny, they look like little berries. And this is what I meant by this is considered a set, but it's super cute. And the reason why I went for these 2 lots is because I don't have any of these vintage Czech glass beads. And oh, these are 2-hole. That's cool. And finding vintage stuff, like, you get stuff that you're not seeing made anymore most of the time. These are neat. They're not pearls, they're pearlized. I don't know if you can hear Goldie's paws, but she's coming to check on Mommy. Hi. These are really pretty. I like that luster. Speaking of luster, I don't know what color this is. It could be purple, it could be brown. I think it depends on what you put it with. That's really cool. I love those. Yeah, I haven't seen these shapes before. Well, some of them. These are cool. What is that? Is that like a petal? Yeah, okay, so they're top drilled. They're like little, they remind me of those wax lips, kind of. And we've got a couple little leaves. Oh, I love these. And there she goes. She's gone. I love these. These remind me of being a kid because when I was like 13, 14, 15, somewhere around there, I had these in blue. And I made a necklace that broke. But yeah, it was back when I was learning. And then it kind of traumatized me because I made it for somebody, sold it, and I was a kid, and it broke, so I had to fix it. But then it traumatized me. It didn't string for, I didn't really start stringing necklaces for like 15 years after that. Like, seriously, I wouldn't string. I'd just do linked necklaces. These are really pretty. These feel old. I don't know if you know what I mean, but they just like feel like they were made a while ago, and just they don't feel like regular Czech glass. I like it. It's a nice like mauve color, mauve pink. Ooh, cute purple. That's a purple I don't really see very often. It's very nice. Very mellow. I love the luster on there. The splotches. Oh, these are a fun shape. These look like little clogs, like or a scoop. Like you could scoop some ice cream with that, or you can go clog dancing. And then we have some flowers, one-sided. They're really cute, though. That is such a fantastic yellow. Oh, and they're double. Oh, they're two-hole too. Very nice. Look at them little tiny butterflies. Oh, those are so pretty with the AB on one side. Some little yellow, oh, they look like bee bodies without the stripes. Very cute. Sorry, I moved the camera. Some little drops. Looks like these are coated. Oh, I'm gonna get them a little closer to my face. Yeah, they look like they're coated in gold. Those are neat. Some purple diamonds, or I don't know what color this would be, or shape this would be. I like that. It's some yellow ribbed rondelles, and it's a different yellow too. Like I think we have like 4 different color yellows in here. Yeah, they're all different. Very nice. And last but not least, out of this baggie, some table cut weird shapes. Those look 80s. Very 80s to me, and I really like them. Those are nice. Very cool. I'm very happy with what was in that bag. And then I saved the second bag. It has all these beautiful blues and greens in it. Ooh, so yummy. Okay, so this one also has more of these. That's cool. I'm going to just mix them all together. We have some more little butterflies. I don't know if I'll keep all these. Make sure you join my bead group. Sometime in January or February, I will be having another sale, and we might have some bead kits. I'm not saying that these are going to be in the bead kits, but that reminded me that I'll be making bead kits. Some more flowers. These are pink. Cute. Ooh, more of these purple beads. Yay. I love it when I get doubles, because that means I can use them and not hoard them. I know, it's sad. Some smaller faceted turquoise beads. These are really pretty. I love them. They're probably 4 or 5 millimeter. Some darker purple like wine drops. These are neat. Love those. Some drucks. Well, I don't even think these are drucks. These are just like larger. They look like pony beads, and you could tell they're old too. A little bit of damage, but that gives them some character. Nice leaves. Ooh, so pretty. Actually, these are, oh, okay. They're not top drilled. Okay. Those are nice. I like that. Some opaque-ish, translucent, weird gray purple flowers. These are very cool. Some more butterflies. Some pink table cut and white beads. That's fun. I don't think I've seen white table cut beads before like that. Those are neat. Ooh, there are only 3 of these. I'm gonna have to hoard them. These are so pretty. They're AB on one side, and they're like a nice turquoise leaf on the other. Love those. I can't use them ever. These are neat. They're like black and pink together. You can see that being a focal, one of those being a focal on a bracelet. Some beautiful turquoise and gold leaves. Ooh, these are yummy. These are top drilled. I had these beads in green when I think it was green. They always remind me of turtles because they were green when I was a kid, but these are really pretty. These are really pretty. And I'm talking like 20, 21 years ago, I had these as a kid. These are neat. I don't have anything like that. I love these. They're matte. I want like 6 strands of them so I can make a whole necklace. This is really pretty. I love these. They remind me of the ocean, like water, going on a beach vacation. Ooh, just some really nice pale aqua rounds. Some more turquoise rounds. These are about 9-10 millimeter. Also, I'm like looking in the holes and that doesn't look like glass. But who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Oh, these are really pretty, like robin's egg blue rondelles. And then last but not least, these mint 2-hole leaves. I don't know if they're leaves or they're shells. They're super cute though. Oh my gosh. I am so happy with this, the whole haul, but specifically this color palette. And I want to do something with this color palette without using these beads because these are more like collector beads than use them beads. So hopefully I can remember this color palette. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought. Tell me which one's your favorite. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day and stay tuned for Goldie. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Hi, Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Hi. Can you say Merry Christmas?